Abusua Twene Jonas, Twene Kwabena Jonas, about Wabede, Wabe send a strong warning. Ama Mahama, say Mahama. So wouldn't na so the police for a quarter crade, and now my second the police for amonkoye investigations, and we should nimpa no bubu Akufo-Addo state you na Juma or the beba bido so be so sha atwa out so whatever it na say.
Auntie, Ojo Mahama no Akufo-Addo be catch you so here so jafo na police for. Akota kura de akobi odi ni statue na me chew se wama mo ba akukura me ba be fire wanya Akufo-Addo na ya boa me nkosi statue asi mfutrom wa hu bi da wasia kwa me nkruma mo na musi hospital ni schools na wi a e school for na de donate sika kosi statue mo bobra na bra na mo boninti esi statue mo oko Addis Ababa kwa me nkruma statue si wo because of legacy.
I'm saying, Twene Jonas, who you very mad. What's the vibe now? PK by East African ye. They be am catch us in concern there. In fact, ye buno tot full contain and ye deba. Subscribe is who feeling me vibe now. We and watch share. I'm a video way. I reach it down. Make us feel no I just so say fella. In January, koda sorry ya. Akufo-Addo state on no man ho. I was second takra no fantefo ne say abot dam what vibe na say why nya kwan wo de state obesi anom ene omo bubu no in fact ni tini de omo yam ne dworo be am say hey
they will not talk. We are also curious about how this.
Tardy boys and girls, don't joke with these fancy people. What vibe na say? Ombe mo hu die wom ti ombubu no in fact e bi no be trauma den say no na anye ne hu so mfa so esi wo
because nyanse bi anyim because ekon won wie na be de made be si won tade ni ase wan fa nti ebun ade bi anu tumi siga ekon na de bo me bi ala koye wan ya statue pocha ma na esi na boss ta ho de me ya we me nu information bi ala bo am de we bun o ye genu na se fifa pocha me fifijai pocha njo nti ba asha statue na wo si na kasa wo si na kasa na dwo anyim is it not good bro because ekon ye hwe statue na hwe if a benefit of road that the business as a call statue, Yansa be anyim do or normal. Then why are you? Oh, you genuine. I can't hear your statue. I finish calling you a statue. You ain't benefit home. Now they benefit belly baby. Name statue and Yansa Wafer. Mas we respect. I love everybody.
What vibe na say bi so bekas o mo anya de course enye kwan po na nke wo so mo fa so ye dey edi bubu no cause mo ne Akufo-Addo nya adwene statue na esi mo mpa mo fa mna kwan so na say yi no mo be ye free no mo be ye free onom fe what vibe na say.
It's just unfortunate that it has happened this way. Even though there were complaints that it was not the proper way it has been erected over here, but then if it should be removed, I think there should be a proper civil way to get it removed, rather than just destroying it like this. Because what has happened now, it can have a negative impression upon the current party that is in government. Even though it might not be supported by them, it could be an intentional thing to also bring them down. So I don't think it is proper that it should be done this way. That would be a civil way to go about it. I would suggest that anything of this nature, to avoid riots and all those things, we should do things the civilized way. If something is not good, let's sit down, discuss it, and then reverse it. There should be understanding between two parties, because we all want to live in peace. So this is the way I see that things of this nature, we should not rush. We should take the proper steps to make corrections.
Nti me will say something what they were so be this video no dey there or dey that takrade for ase so my ya dey pa
me kro mu ta difo Nana Addo statue no mo bu statue na to fom For once, I'm proud to be infant. My idea, mo booster to not to form. Nana Addo statue no. And that form say sing. Na yenye kwan wie. We hu nyansa anya omo kwan no. We hu nyansa anya wie. We say my me statue. I'm praising myself. Who on this earth e praising no? O ma panyi be I just say MPP for. Kofo e ma no ho award. Samson na Nana Addo. Wa award with a statue. I didn't tell a statue no fan kwan ko se chibi. Omo boost statue na to for once. Thumb up, guys. My dear. Munyam into ashes. Munyam no grande. Muya no more to try me na de ashem because this a bad omen. Nana Addo statue is one a bad omen. Mwana must say Western region in Koso Papa bi ankoso. Na masa akwa a bad omen we ababa biso. Bosom we ababa biso. Bosom busuyefo we ababa biso. The
Jonas himself waba no so no how say now why a statue a simple trum o ka se mfante for mo agimi ana o se tadi for nkwa nwa che na nka wo so mo nyam ne da no the warning kokobo Mahama si Mahama nim na sa kufu ado friend say chale statue no pe police for no mkoye investigations hu boys na ana girls na nipaku a omubu na si Mahama so the police for kugu on ma jumo debate no one shot next time hu panyina obeje ne back
anti ojo Mahama no akufu anu be ka che so ohia so jafo na police for akota kura de akobi odi ni statue na me chew se wama mo ba akukura me ba be fire wanya akufu anu ya boa me nkosi statue wasi mfutrom wa hu bi da wasia kwa me nkruma mo na omusi hospital ni school so na wi a e school for na de donate sika kosi statue mom omabo bra na bra na mo bonintie statue mom oko Addis Ababa kwa me nkruma statue si wo because of legacy now join odi excavator galamse excavator be dream futuro kronuma na wakoye statue akosi futuro num se kromu of workers omo ya moa abra 8 years ago I promise you say o be kwan have flag in the bomnya mishra buoni titakura de for my ade say ma purchase statue no na munim na NDC for mu yi police for so mo university taxpayers money ko investigation I heard you boost statue na me ba be pusa jom Mahama shoa abra no di na chini de on de me kana se mi kon ye onim hwe oye Mahama yire a oni na ma onu aduane manidi na lodina na eme wife enti on de me ni asem na wo Mahama no unnim na osuso kwasem panyina kufu ade no so ema obi police say enko investigation si abedwini statue agu akwasia adwuma sini ni akatua obo ho abaso with a statue ewo uncompleted road wa bodamuti oya sao wakati so obi agro 8 years ago wakati so obi agro na this can bro ohwom e o play na se wa bro ni mu na chele na kromu of Bernard Chimini ayi akwakosi o statue akosi kromu o mo dam mo atakra for no kroma che too much so ma I say no mo peche statue ni tentem
PK Vibes Africa ni de bi am ka chote ni tonkompo ni ada nti wada no ni wo street ni so asante for no be say ti street ye paying for ye saucy juicy spicy 3-1 ICD sweet di ohia eye nso hye nti me ka se feel no ade me so se feel makra